Because many patients are getting sick with COVID and other respiratory diseases, it's best to be prepared. Consider getting these items just in case you will need them. Majority of COVID cases are mild and can be treated at home. Here's what you need. Number 1, thermometer. You need to check and record the temperature of the patient. How high and how many days is the fever? What is the pattern of the fever? Number 2, pulse oximeter. In severe COVID cases, patients can develop shortness of breath leading to lack of oxygen in the body. Make sure your blood oxygenation level is 94% or higher using your pulse oximeter. Number 3, over-the-counter medicines for fever and cough. Buy a few paracetamol 500 mg tablets. You may also need cough suppressants or expectorants depending if you have dry cough or phlegm. Number 4, oral rehydration solution packets like Pedialyte, Hydrate, and others. COVID patients sometimes develop diarrhea and dehydration. Dissolve 1 packet of ORS in a glass of water and drink it. This will replenish the water and electrolytes you have lost if you have loose bowel movement. You can take in coconut water and other juices too. Number 5, consider vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, or a multivitamin. Just take them in the recommended doses to avoid side effects. Number 6, prepare separate dishes, towels, beddings if possible. Ideally, you will need a separate room and bathroom for the sick person. Otherwise, follow sanitary precautions strictly. Number 7, a supply of alcohol, soap, and hand sanitizer. Make sure you disinfect or wash your hands every time you visit the sick person. Number 8, face mask. If the patient cannot use a mask because of trouble breathing, then wear a mask while in the same room with them. Opening the windows can help improve airflow and reduce your chances of getting the virus. Number 9, a pen and notebook to write down the patient's temperature, symptoms, and current medication. Number 10, list of contact numbers of your home care doctors and emergency number. Consult your doctor regularly on the status of your patient. Some serious patients will need oxygen support at home in case the hospitals are full. Now, in case you get sick and you're living alone, you might arrange to have a friend or health worker visit you regularly. You will need to replenish your food and supplies. Here are the food requirements for mild COVID case. Number 1, drink 10 to 12 glasses of water or fluids every day. At a minimum, you should drink 2 to 4 ounces of fluid every 30 minutes. Drink water, soup, fruit juices, oral rehydration solution, or sports drinks. Number 2, take smaller but more frequent meals. Eat something every 3 hours even if you are not hungry. You need food to recover faster. Number 3, eat a high-calorie, high-protein diet. Include rice, potatoes, bread, pasta, whole grains, and cereals in your diet. Number 4, eat more protein. Try to eat 75 to 100 grams of protein per day, which is 10 to 14 ounces of a protein source. Good protein sources are fish, chicken, meat, milk, eggs, peanut butter, yogurt, and cheese. Number 5, eat fresh fruits and vegetables to get your fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Include everything from apples and bananas and green leafy vegetables in your diet. Aside from diet, you need enough rest and sleep to recover faster. Consult your doctor for other medicines you will need. Take care.